Your Samsung Galaxy might be secretly logging every app you open, and unless you change these settings, it won't stop. Let's go over them one by one. The first setting is Digital Wellbeing Usage Tracking. Digital Wellbeing sounds like a helpful feature, but it keeps detailed logs of every app you open, how often, and for how long. Open the Settings app and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. Tap the three-dot menu at the top right, then select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Usage Data Access. When a pop-up appears, select Settings. In the next screen, tap the toggle switch to revoke Digital Wellbeing permission. Next up is Usage Access for other apps. Some third-party apps request usage access to see which apps you use, and they might not even need it. Open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, and scroll down to the Privacy section. Tap on More Privacy Settings and tap on Permission Manager. Browse through the services and look for apps that you don't want to have access to. For example, in Health Connect, Google Play services shouldn't have access to it if you already have apps you use for health tracking. Another service you have to check is the camera. Things like carrier services and system UI shouldn't have access to it. Go through all other services and block apps that don't have business using them. Another one to check is app activity history in your Google account. Even if Samsung stops tracking, Google could still be watching. For this, open Settings and tap Google. Tap the little arrow at the top and select Manage Accounts on this device. Tap the account you want to manage and select Google Account. Go to the Data and Privacy tab and tap Web and App Activity and turn it off. This blocks Google from logging app usage across your device. Another key setting is Usage and Diagnostics Reporting. Both Samsung and Google collect system usage data by default, tracking when apps crash, how long you use them, and more. To turn this off, open Settings and tap Google. Tap All Services to reveal other settings, then select Usage and Diagnostics. Toggle the switch off to disable the service. This stops your phone from sending detailed reports about your behavior to Google. Next is App Activity Access for Bixby and other system apps. Bixby, Device Care, and other Samsung apps may be quietly watching your app activity to offer recommendations, but that comes at the cost of your privacy. Open Settings. Tap Apps, then tap the three-dot menu and choose Special Access and Usage Data Access. Find apps like Bixby and Digital Wellbeing and toggle off their respective switches. This stops these apps from tracking your behavior. Other apps you want to restrict include Galaxy Store, Gaming Hub, and Modes and Routines. Finally, check Samsung's customization service. This feature uses your app usage, browsing history, and other behaviors to personalize your experience across Samsung services. To do this, open Settings and tap your Samsung account. Tap Security and Privacy and tap on Customization Service. Toggle the switch off and confirm by tapping Stop. This keeps Samsung from building a profile of your habits. By turning off these hidden trackers, you're taking back control of your phone and protecting your privacy. If this video helped you lock down your privacy, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart Galaxy tips and digital safety guides.